tell you about the LBY PC-31 Evaporative Cooler. How an evaporative cooler works is you fill the reservoir with water. There's a wafer system with a blower, and it actually funnels water through these wafers and then blows air across it and creates what is essentially evaporative cooling. So the evaporative cooling will take the air temperature, let's say in our warehouse, which we use this machine, from 85 down to about 70 degrees. So it actually takes the air temperature down about 70 degrees, blows 3,100 CFM of air across it. It's great for warehouse spaces, open events where you can't contain air conditioning. And we open our dock doors a lot here. We do have a unit air conditioner in our warehouse. However, with us opening the dock doors all the time, we just lose all the cool air, and it's really hard to keep it comfortable. So evaporative cooler is our choice in the warehouse. I also use it at personal events at home or when we have people over to keep us cool on the deck. It's a really simple machine. It hooks up to a standard wall outlet and only draws a few amps. So you can run the hose to it like I have here. Also, there is a hose connection on the side if you're running it for longer periods of time, let's say 8-10 hours. Then I'll just connect the hose directly to it, and it'll just continue to pull from the hose as needed. Otherwise, it's all you need to do is fill up water, plug it in, and then point it where you want. One of the other features that it has the oscillation, so it can go from side to side, or it can just stay and blow straight on. You also can increase and decrease the fan speed. And then also, you have louvers here, and you can move them up, down. As you can see, these are directing air down, or you can simply pull them up to blow air up. So very simple machine and very versatile, just depending on what you need. So if you have a whole group of people spread out, then you put the oscillating feature on. If it's just you and a couple people sitting there, you can just have it blow directly on you. I wanted to show you an example of how this machine works. Right now, it's between 89 and 90 in the warehouse. So how this machine works is it'll take air through the back of it, and then you have the wafer system with water going through the wafers, and the blower blows across the wafers. Then on the output side is where you get the nice cool air. It'll drop it about 10 to 15 degrees, depending. Go ahead and place it here. The temperature's still dropping, but we're already going from 90 to a little over 76 degrees. So even when you're sitting out in a 90-degree day, it's not enclosed. It's either you're under a pavilion or in the warehouse. For our case, our shipping person is able to sit in an environment that's 76 degrees with a nice breeze blowing across their body to prevent them from getting heat stroke, heat exhaustion, and so they're not dragging tired by the end of the day. So an excellent choice for events, for workspaces, you name it. Very versatile, simple machine.